What was sort of assemblies that I do at school?
Jeez. Hello. Welcome. Hello everyone. Welcome to Series 6, Episode 5 of the Assembly. We're doing this, you all lot.
Don't go back to the beginning.
New
No,
question?
stop. Just go 4, okay?
New question, new question.
The bull is a national animal of which country?
Spain.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want another question, Nana.
You are splendid, you all up. You're good. Looking good. Why are owls so carefree? Because they don't give a hoot. And we got this one. Why don't leopards hide? They're always spotted. Right? It's time to do the how are yous, everyone. Shane and Ty, how are you?
I'm very well, Lenny.
Grannan and Dad?
Very well, thank you, Lenny.
All clapped out.
Don't sound very healthy.
Nick and Dave, how are you?
I'm good, mate. Thank you.
Ronnie and Jack, how are you?
Good.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Daniel, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Oh, sorry. Bit of an ouch.
Riley keeps elbowing me, Lenny.
Yeah.
Constantly.
Right. Certificate for Granny Steve for doing snooker. We've got a certificate for Nan Jackie doing all the good stuff. And we got the Jack, so certificate for Jack for doing all this splendid
Other stuff.
other stuff.
Splendid big brain.
And a certificate for Dad for going to the pub. And a certificate for Lucy for doing nails tomorrow. Pardon me. Sorry? And to Stu, you got a certificate for looking after Joshie. Michelle and Pam. Michelle and Pam got a certificate for being friends.